Guys, I don't know if you guys can see my head. I wanted to set up the tripod and everything, but I am tired, so I just mounted the camera on the window. So yes, I've been fine, guys. I'm sure you guys are like, where have you been? I've been fine. I started school 2 weeks ago, law school, and it has been draining. I go to class every day from morning to night. So I didn't have time to film anything, but I've been posting on TikTok. So if you're not following me there, go do it at naturally Timaski. So if I don't post here on YouTube, I'll definitely post on TikTok. And yeah, so I moved into my hostel room yesterday night. I was so tired. Thank God for my friend that came to help. I was so tired, to be honest. So yes, I'm doing the packing today. Today's actually Sunday, but I need to do the packing because tomorrow is Monday and I have to go to school in the morning, and I don't like the way my room is looking at this particular point. And the fact that I'm trying to film for you guys should give me a tap on my shoulder because I'm doing a very good job for you guys, okay? So like and comment and share. That's the only way you can help me, please. The state of my room, I have to pack that. And see, I don't have a bed, guys. I don't have a bed. You can imagine. See, these are irons. These are irons. These are irons. Yeah. I don't need to show you guys. I'm going to be doing a room tour. So yeah. So I'm just going to go pack now. Yeah. So yeah. Hi guys, it's been a few hours since I last spoke with you guys, and there's been a lot of progress with regards to the packing of my room. And finally, I spoke to a friend and he directed me how to do the lights, so there is lights. Actually, the meter was upgrading, so they gave me a lot of like 60 numbers. I had to enter them one step at a time. I had to enter them one step at a time. What is going on with my English today? It's because I'm tired, Sha. So finally it's light. I've connected my phone and I'm going to prepare something. The room really feels awkward without my other bed. So I'm really hungry, so I'm having become on cookies. I'm really hungry. So I'm done with cleaning here. I've cleaned the bathroom, I've packed here, my wardrobe, everything is packed. I just need to, I bought some things from a jute store, I juted some clothes. I don't know how to put it, but I bought Junk's clothes here in Surrey. We call it Junk's clothes. So I need to launder them, wash my other plates, then pack them, and then what else? Yes, I'll be buying my gas, like refilling the gas.